We're excited to share the story of how we transformed this house into a home. Before the first nail was hammered, we wanted to understand the community we were stepping into. In this neighborhood, homes are more than just buildings, they're the heart of these families' lives. Here, you'll find hardworking, down-to-earth families who value integrity, perseverance, and a job well done. For these folks, a home is their biggest investment, their sanctuary, and the foundation for their dreams. It's where memories are made, traditions are upheld, and futures are built. When it came time to remodel and revitalize one of these cherished spaces, we knew the importance of choosing only the highest quality products and a company that shared the same dedication and care as the people who live here. Our work reflects not only craftsmanship, but also a deep respect for the pride the neighbors take in their homes. Because in this community, where values run deep and every dollar matters, only the best is good enough for the homes that mean everything. Now, let's hear from Brenda as she walks us through our exciting exterior transformation with Triton BP.
Triton BP is a company you can rely on. Their phone support and technical assistance are exceptional. They clearly explain their products, installation requirements, and procedures in a way that is thorough, simple, and easy to understand. Even though we encountered a shipping issue, through no fault of their own, Triton BP worked diligently to help resolve the problem. After researching various options, we decided on Triton BP's Lightning Ridge faux stone panels. These lightweight, easy-to-handle panels measure approximately 8 square feet, allowing for quick coverage of large areas. Crafted from high-density foam, they can be effortlessly cut with a knife, handsaw, or power saw, making installation smooth and efficient. Unlike many competitors, Triton BP pre-applies a clear coat finish at the factory. Beware, many other companies require you to apply this finish yourself during installation, adding extra time and effort to the process. Triton BP also offers accessory products, including corner pieces and ledge trim, to give your product a professional finish. For touch-ups, they provide a matching paint kit, ensuring seamless results. While we often tackle projects ourselves, this one was larger in scale. Being in our 70s, we chose to hire a contractor, and it was worth it. Chris, the contractor, completed the installation of over 512 square feet of faux stone panels with trim in under 4 days, and the process was surprisingly simple. Let me tell you about the installation process. 1. Measure and mark. Chris meticulously measured and marked the area for accurate cuts, following the classic advice, measure twice, cut once. 2. Cut the panels. Each panel was precisely cut for perfect fit. 3. Dry fit. Before securing them, he placed each panel to ensure alignment. 4. Apply adhesive. Using a construction glue, he applied it generously to the back of each panel. 5. Secure in place. On our block wall surface, the panels adhered seamlessly, eliminating the need for screws. The result? A stunning, professional-looking faux stone finish with minimal effort and maximum impact.
We completely renovated this home from top to bottom, inside and out, leaving no detail untouched. Once it hit the market, the response was immediate. It sold in under 24 hours for full asking price and $25,000 above the appraised value. We believe Triton BP's Lightning Ridge faux stone panels played a key role in creating the curb appeal and distinctive character that helped drive such a remarkable result.
I love my grandma, and my grandma loves Triton BP faux stone.